Hi, welcome to the fourth and final episode as I cook something from a Taste of ZOE cookbook today. And I've actually just had a bit of a change of plans. I was going to be making mango and sticky rice to finish off our episodes today, but then I was just thinking, if you're in Australia right now, you're in the middle of winter and tropical fruit is probably something that's not something that you're thinking about. So I'm going to make today the coconut chicken soup. Now this recipe I've never made before. Honestly, I've never ever tried it. I've never tasted it, and so it could be a little bit challenging. I'm even using some ingredients like this galangal. I'm not even sure how to say it today that I've never used before. So I'm going to follow the recipe quite carefully today, which is not how I normally cook. I'm more of a free spirit in the kitchen. But let's have a look at what we've got. We're using fish sauce again, quite common in Thai cooking. I've got my kaffir lime leaves just soaking in a little bit of water there. It's calling for some lemongrass, some lime, some chili, which I might actually use a bit of dried chili instead. I'm not sure yet. I'll just see how it goes. We've got our coconut milk, and I love that we're using 100% coconut milk, so that makes it taste nice and creamy. Some chicken broth, the unknown galangal root, some ginger, fresh ginger, coconut sugar. I'm going to be using you can use any mushroom, but I'm going to use the like the oyster mushrooms that we have here. Some spring onion or green onion and some coriander. Okay, so let's just see how we go, see how this turns out. Okay, well, it's cooked and it's ready to go. So one thing that I love about when we just take like these random ingredients, things that have grown in the ground or fallen off the trees, and we put it all together, we make something absolutely delicious out of it. And it just reminds me of the children that are rescued at ZOE. And even though they've been through a lot of trauma and pain, neglect, one thing that happens is when they come to ZOE and they're rescued, they're given a new life, and something wonderful happens when they're put into a loving family. Okay, so I'm just gonna dish this up here now. I might even ask someone, just put my garnish on, to come and taste it, because as I said, I've never made this before. I'd be interested to see. I might just put a little bit of chili in there. Okay, so this is the soup here. All right, Dave, can you have a little taste and be honest, because I've never made this before.
It's got a bit of spice to it, but it's really, really good. So well done. We can make this one again.
Thank you for joining us. Bye.